Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shine Ellis, known as Crazy CC2. Now in this video I'll be showing you a blue clown makeup look inspired by the series Glow Up. I watched this on BBC iPlayer. No one particularly did this look, but I was just inspired with a lot of makeup to do this look. So stay tuned to see how I do it. Thank you. Hey guys, first of all we're starting off with a primer oil, and this is with Gold Flakes by MUA Makeup Academy. As you see, I'm just patting this into the skin, and now we're applying some foundation by Sleek Makeup. It's actually CC cream. And then we're going to blend this in with a dense brush. So all we're doing is spot correcting. This is Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and we're just blending this out in circular motions. And before I crease, I'm just setting my under eye real quick and buffing everything out with a big blending brush with the same powder. Now we're gonna go in with a dark blue shimmery shade. This is going all over the lid and just above the eyebrows. Wow, the colour payoff is amazing. And now we're going in with a purple shade. I'm just blending the two together so it's seamless. I'm just taking a black liner. This is just to outline the shape that I want to create and for me to know when to stop when I'm using the shadow so it's more defined. As you can see, I'm just going back in with the same shadows, the blue and the purple, just to make sure everything is blended smoothly and correctly. Now with the same concealer, I'm just going back in to define the shape that I've created. And then after you're happy, just gonna blend out with the same foundation dense brush just to make sure everything is smoothed down properly. And here I'm just going back in with that blue shade, as I saw the symmetry was not the same on the other side. And here I'm just adding some contour just to define my natural features. Now, as you saw, I'm using a lipstick by Sleek. It's a dark purpley vampy colour, and I'm just gonna wing it out at the corners of my mouth. Now I wanted my lip to pop, so I'm just adding the same shimmery colours as the eyeshadow that I used on my eyes. And I'm gonna go in quite heavy with the blush as I wanted it to pop. This is by Profusion. It's quite a glittery blush as it is, but we'll go with the flow. Okay, now I want to add something to it, but I'm not quite sure. Like, I feel like this is the end of the look, but I keep flapping about and yeah. I kind of look more like a cute clown than scary. I wasn't even going for a scary look anyway. Wait. Not going for lashes either. Got kind of sassy. I'll probably just do like a quick liner. My best friend, Stamp and Drag. It is satisfying. Okay. Now, I didn't actually want to fill in my eyebrows. I didn't want it to stand up too much, so I just took some brow gel and brushed them together. Hey guys, this is the finished look. Now, I didn't want to do too much to the eyes. I mean, like the eyes right here. Like, I didn't want to do any lashes or anything. Anyway, I keep procrastinating, girl. What am I doing? watching. This is the end result. I'm gonna do some close-ups and some cringy final minute looks. Okay, now this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for making it to the end, and like usual, comment grapes down below if you did. It really means a lot to me if you like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. These are the bloopers. Roll. What are we doing? We don't know. We don't know.